Welcome to Math A. Today we're counting forwards and backwards up to 100. What number comes before 50? So we start with 50 and we want the number before. So we subtract 1 to 49. The answer is 49. Count forwards from 12 to 18. So we start with 12 and then we're counting forward. So we've got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Write the next three numbers after 24. So start with 24 and we want the next three numbers. So we got first number, second number, and third number. So increase by 1. So we got 25, 26, and 27. Count backwards from 72 to 65. So we start with 72 and counting backwards. So we got 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, and 65. What number comes 2 after 29? So we start with 29 and we want the numbers after. So we got 30 and it's the same as 2 after. We got 31. Answer is 31. Fill in the blanks. We got 41, 42, blank, 44, 45. So we're increasing by 1. So 42, 43, and then we go to 44. So the answer is 43. Fill in the blanks. 63, 62, blank, 60, and 59. So we write out the equation. Looks like we're decreasing by 1, going backwards. So backwards from 62 is 61. Count backwards from 95 to 90. So we start with 95 and counting backwards. So we got 94, 93, 92, 91, and 90. That's the answer. What number comes just before 100? So we got 100 and we want the number before that. So we're subtracting 1 to 99. What number comes after 50? So we start with 50. We want the number after. So we add 1. So it's 51. Count forwards from 33 to 40. So we start with 33 and we're adding 1. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. That's your answer. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more practice you do, the easier it gets.